All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. There's been a lot of news going on about Solana, SOL in the news, cryptocurrency, ADA's been going crazy, bonkers. So all kinds of information. Today we're going to be talking about NFTs. That's right, you probably heard there was a Rocks just sold for $1.2 million NFT. Then there's all kinds of CryptoPunk arts being sold, and we're going to actually go to OpenSeas and show you some of the art that's going to be there. Very interesting. Cryptocurrency. Remember, it's everything's stored on the blockchain and it's exchanging, so it's going to be pretty good. So Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner, don't forget to hit the like button, hit subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. So remember what I was talking about. Can you imagine one day when every single person has some cryptocurrency, has some Ethereum, has some Dogecoin? Well, this NFT thing is right there. I mean, they're talking about people and celebrities that are basically going to get these icons, and you're going to be able to see that they pay $10,000 or $180,000 for it as like a status symbol. Just like a Lamborghini would be a status symbol, or a Rolex watch, or different clothes. Now on the internet phase and on digital currency in the digital market, this is a way that people can flex a little bit and they can get these digital NFTs and actually use it as their picture or different things and stuff. So with that, let's go ahead and find out about NFTs. All right, over here at Cointelegraph, it talks about OpenSea's team of 37 staff is currently handling 98% of the combined NFT volume. That seems kind of nuts, but NFT marketplace OpenSeas is desperately expanding the team to follow a surge in trading volume. And I mean, there's just a lot of things going on here. But it says the OpenSea's head of product, Nate, plead for help, revealing the popular marketplace currency comprised just 37 people on staff despite currently processing 98% of all the NFT volumes. The world's largest non-fungible token NFT marketplace, OpenSea is desperately in need of staff as the NFT mania continues to ramp up. Look what it says. We need to ramp up hiring at OpenSea's, where only 37 people handling 98% of all the NFT volume. There's a referral bonus. If you know anybody on the channel, if you refer somebody to them and they actually get hired, they say they will pay 1 Ethereum to anyone who connects us to an engineer or designer that we hire. The resumes too, right there. Candidates, you can check out the website. I mean, kind of nuts. So over here it says added the referral bonus. Also available, stating we'll pay 1 Ethereum to anybody who connects us to an engineer or designer that we hire. The company's career page currently hosts a variety of opening positions ranging from business development director to full stack engineer to finance manager. Confirmed on Twitter that OpenSeas is desperate to expand its team. They're trying to supplement our hiring process with some recruiting due to the pressed need of manpower. Also, it says right here, the popularity of OpenSeas has surged over the past couple weeks. Months of the NFT mania ramps up again, with largely been by the CryptoPunk. The report of OpenSea has generated 2.84. You heard it. Wait. That's right. 2.84 billion. With a B. Wait for it. In the trading volume over the past 30 days, the daily volume hit an all-time high on Saturday with 224.6 million from 111,800 transactions over a 24 period. Take a look at this, guys. NFTs are going bonkers right now. So basically right here, the volume explodes. According to the gas tracker, OpenSeas is the largest consumer. So OpenSeas is the largest consumer of the Ethereum network fees. Over the past 24 hours, this has been generating 21.6% of the total transaction fees on Ethereum, resulting in a total of $5.8 million, more than Uniswap and Tether combined. As reported on Cointelegraph on Friday, almost $900 million had been spent on NFTs over the past 30 days, resulting in record months in August. OpenSeas becomes a crypto unicorn in the late July after raising $100 million in funding round. All right, so we're over here at OpenSeas, and over to the left here, I got CryptoPunk, so I can click that, and I can look at these different art pictures, and like look at the cost here. So this is like $23.99 Ethereums. So you click it. All right, we're gonna move over to the Bored Ape here. So this one right here, it's actually selling for $149,000. No, 149.98 Ethereum. 149 Ethereum. Holy. 3 days left on that one to take a look at that. The Bored Ape here is 67 Ethereum, which is just crazy. We can look at over here. This Bored Ape is 180 Ethereum. I mean, that's just amazing, these prices. Go back over here to the top. All right, so we're over here at this collection, and it's got like the monkeys, 9 Ethereums, almost 7 Ethereums, 75 Ethereums, a Mutilated Ape Yacht Club, 75 Ethereums, 13 Ethereums, Mutilated Ape Yacht Club. This one's 7 Ethereums, offered by... This person offered 6 Ethereums, and they want 7 Ethereums. And there's some bidding going on and stuff. So pretty interesting stuff here on OpenSeas. So you definitely want to check it out. Art Block Factory. I checked this one. This one's 11 Ethereum, 7 Ethereums. I mean, it's just okay. It's just mean bees. Let's take a look at these. Okay, so let's go over here. Bored Ape Chemistry Club. Okay, so Muted Ape Yacht Club. I mean, it's just digital art. I mean, it's just like, okay, I get it. So I guess everybody's going to have to find the ones that they want. 500 Ethereum for this. Wow. 7 Ethereum. So again, this could be the sexy part. I always talk about, you know, things aren't being sexy when we're talking about some of the different things. I mean, look at this one. 35 Ethereum. Yeah, pretty much liking this. So, all right, with that, can you believe it? Someone bought an NFT for free clip art rock for $1.3 million. $1.3 million. So let's go ahead and check this out. So right here's the rock. That is a $1.3 million rock. It's kind of hard to believe. I mean, again, I grew up throwing rocks and getting rocks and playing with rocks and moving rocks. Didn't think there was rocks. There were 1.3 million, and they're digital at that. It says 3 weeks ago, 4-year-old NFT project called Ether Rocks suddenly went viral, sending prices skyrocketing. The premise is simple: 100 images of the same cartoon rock, each tinted in a slightly different color, attached to 100 NFTs. Non-fungible tokens. According to the collection developer, the rock image was pulled from the online clip art data goodfreephoto.com. So scrolling down here, this is the part right here. Last night, the Ether Rock number 42, reddish brown, of the same clip art rock sold for 400 Ethereum, or over $1.3 million. I mean, okay. I mean, that's kind of a lot of money for digital art. I'm going to go in my backyard and I'm going to see if I can find any better rocks and stuff. And I'm going to have to figure out how to basically turn these rocks into digital. So, but again, right here, we got a digital rock for $1.3 million. Let's go ahead and head over to the top 10. All right, over here at the top 10, Bitcoin is at 46,874. It is down a 4.49% in the last 7 days. Ethereum is holding at 3212. In the last 7 days, it's also down about 2.72%. Cardano is in a solid number 3, the third biggest cryptocurrency in the world. Basically, it's down about 4.7% in the last 7 days. Binance Coin is at number 4, and it's actually down about 8%. XRP is down about 9%. So we got a lot of downs going down right now. So again, sometimes you may want to buy the dip. All our information here is for educational purposes only. We want to make sure everybody knows kind of what's going on. form your own opinions. The top 10 I think is a great thing because you can see the top 10 currencies, but I also like 11 through 20. Dogecoin is at number 7. It's down about 13% in the last 7 days. Solana is at number 8. Look at this, everybody. It's up 51%. So Solana is the one that on this whole entire thing is in the green, and it's not kind of in the green. It's up 51% in the last 7 days. So if you were watching the channel about 8 to 9 days ago, and you were hearing about what was going on, you may have actually went on and checked out some Solana. You're definitely liking it today, up 51% in the last 7 days. USD coin is at number 9. Polkadot's at number 10, down about 5% in the last week. Uniswamp's at number 11. And Bitcoin Cash is at number 14, down about 6% in the last 7 days. So yeah, everybody, I mean, this NFT thing with this digital art, we're going to be doing some more videos on this. We're going to be more deep in research about it, trying to figure out, paying attention, who's buying what's on the auction. I mean, it's just a lot of things. We talked about that one time to make sure you buckle up when it comes to cryptocurrency. Well, NFTs is right there being traded on the blockchain, and everybody's watching the transactions, and it's all public information. So again, when we were talking about one day that every single person's going to own some cryptocurrency, you know, it could also be that people are going to have these little icons for their things, and they may buy it for $10 or $1 or $100,000. There's rocks for 1.3 million. So don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video, if you found some information and it helped you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so we can actually keep bringing you this information. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. We'll be back tomorrow, and we'll see you at 1 o'clock every single day.